Hello, and welcome to Zebra Media Dish. I'm Manuel Carreño, and today we delve into a powerful solution that simplifies the deployment, administration, and management of all your Zebra DNA tools on Zebra mobile computers running Android. Zebra DNA Cloud. Often, we install applications on corporate devices to maximize their utility. However, challenges arise when these devices are dispersed across multiple locations or are difficult to access physically. This is where Zebra DNA Cloud shines. It streamlines the setup, configuration, management, and optimization of Zebra devices throughout their life cycles with a single cohesive interface, eliminating the need for manual one-by-one configuration. Being a web-based application, Zebra DNA Cloud is accessible for any device, providing specific insights into your devices, such as status, Zebra DNA license in use, battery health, and Android version. It also allows remote management of various Zebra DNA tools, like RxLogger, Device Diagnostic, and Wireless Insights, ensuring your device stays up to date with the latest security and features. Remember, there is a complementary version available for all Zebra DNA mobile computers, with an advanced version offering enhanced administrative features at an additional cost. Don't overthink it. Simplify the lifecycle management of your Zebra mobile devices and reduce the total cost of ownership with Zebra DNA Cloud. Thanks for tuning in. See you in our next Media Dish video.